Good evening, everyone. It's Tom Sydney Bushnell, aka Numbers, here from Psych Club, from the Tom Numbers Show. News with Tom Numbers, top of your game, and I guess walks by the sea with Tom Numbers. So today is November 22nd, and if you do the 22nd of November, that comes to 304. John Fitzgerald Kennedy, John, it's his birthday. It would have been his birthday, or it is his birthday. Happy birthday, sir. 304. 304 is a really very important number, and we'll see more of that in 2024. President Trump has been given a bit of a sneak preview to it. I've known about it for a long time through him and others, through my Light Forces team, through my cousin Paul, my grandparents Eileen and Sydney, and others, but from direct comms from President Trump. Got 304. You'll be mind blown. But it's interesting, I just discovered it today. I may have known it before, but if I had, I'd forgotten it. But I discovered it today again, that the 25th of November comes to 304. If you drop the 0, as one likes to do, then that comes to 34. 34 is grace. 34 is DJT. 34 is kick. The first concert I ever went to was in excess, Summer Excess. I was aged 14. 14 to 104. Like a Thief in the Night is 200. Westminster Abbey, Mount Rushmore. Add 14, 104. Jerusalem, 104. Hillingdon, 104. Starlink, 104. Comes to 304. But 304, drop the 0. 304, drop that 0, takes you to 34, which is also leap. So it's the leap year. And you better believe me, the leap year that's coming up next year is going to be off the charts. But it's going to be wonderful for humanity. It's going to be incredible. And they've got some big presents and prizes for everybody. I'm telling you, the world is just going to be out of this world. It's things that most people don't even comprehend yet. They've been giving you previews and tasters of it, but the magnitude is way bigger than people can imagine. So 304, mark this point, 304. You will know what 304 is, I believe, in about a year's time, just under, well, no, maybe about a year away, because November, well, the 25th of November is 304. We might see it a little bit before, I think we might do, but there might be a, I don't know, just watch this space. But kick year, leap year, DJT year, grace year, 304. So this weekend has been Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. It's been Black Friday, which was yesterday. I guess it's still going over this weekend. So a lot of people have bought shungite over this last week. This is a game changer. Shungite is from an asteroid, landed in Russia, and it's got magical properties. It's off world, basically. I use it, I wear it all the time. I sleep with it. I put it in the fridge to preserve my food. My blueberries, I did a video about a month ago. And they were still fresh after a month, but I actually kept them there for another 3 weeks. So 7 weeks, 49 days. 49 is yes, 49 is fifth. The blueberries were still fresh. So yeah, the blueberries were still fresh. It was still fresh. Yeah. So what a lovely time to be alive. What a beautiful time to be alive. I've got an exciting show coming up tomorrow. I'm doing a show with 107. It's been a while since we've done a show, probably 3 or 4 months. The last one was the one I talked about. I entitled it Clash of the Titans because we got into some strong discussion, which is needed at this time. And it was good. It was really good. So I'm looking forward to seeing Juan. I've got some great questions for him. I'm sure he'll be on top form tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to the show. So that will go well. If we can get it out in time, that'll be out tomorrow. We'll record it tomorrow, and it should be out probably tomorrow. So watch this space. Yeah, incredible time. Also, my locals channel. So my local subscribers and my free viewers as well. So you can join locals. You'll get free content. You just enter your email, get the app, and then you can get all my updates. But that's where you get all my important stuff first. Not that my other stuff isn't important, it is, but you'll get everything that's vital there. And I can speak more openly on there as well. So you'll get explanations of all kinds of things. So go on there. If you're curious, you want to know exactly what I'm saying, go on my locals. And if you want to be a paid subscriber, then come and join. Loads of you have already done so, which I'm thankful for, and it helps us, it means I can do more. But if you join locals, I've got a Black Friday offer for you, so it's $30 off right now. So the annual subscription is $88 for the year, and you get 2 shows of News with Tom Numbers a week. You'll get extra content as well. But because it's Black Friday, I talked to the team at locals, Vivian and Sarah, if you're listening, thank you. And they're allowing me to give you $30 off. So claim your $30. Do it now. If you've been thinking, if you're on the fence and you've been thinking, oh, I should, we're giving you an incentive to join right now. So that will close on Monday. So you've just got 2.5 days left to join. The links will be below. You just click it. You'll see it's usually $88, but it'll give you $30 off, which takes you to $58 for the year, which is a bargain. Yeah, so getting on that. I'm going to be doing a show, News with Tom Numbers, either later today or tomorrow. That will go out for subscribers on locals. Also, if you haven't noticed, when this, it's gone up, probably gone up by the time this goes out. I did a great show with John White from Spooky 2. He's invented got a PHANOTRON tube, which basically can heal you for so many things. I was mind blown by the stuff he was telling me. Watch that show. There's a Black Friday offer on there. I know it's Black Friday, everyone's putting offers out, but it's just the way it is. But you might as well take advantage of it if you ever wanted to get on the Spooky 2 stuff. It's really high grade quality equipment, and you'll see the beauty of it in the show. It's like this beautiful tube, but it's like a cylinder, a sphere. It's amazing, and the things it can do is a real game changer. And you can get 10% off on Black Friday with the offer. If you enter Psych Club, you'll also get an additional gift that's for my subscribers. So yeah. Anyway, happy birthday, John. Happy birthday, sir. But 304, I'm telling you, it's astronomical. 304. When I get the chance to actually tell the world publicly what 304 is, you will be mind blown. Like, I'm talking bonkers. It's much bigger than you could possibly imagine. Way bigger than you could possibly imagine. It's incredible. Like, it's staggeringly gorgeous and beautiful. And it will liberate the world. It will liberate the cosmos. It's staggering. 304. I've known about it for a while. I don't feel it's within my remit to say what it is right now. But 304 is bonkers. Bonkers, absolutely bonkers. And of course it ties in with John's date of birth. The 25th of November, 304. Drop the zero. Grace 34, Kick 34, DJT 34, Leap 34. We're going into the quantum leap next year. I promise you. I promise you. I know for sure. Next year is the fucking year we've been waiting for. You watch. You just watch. Calling an election made sure 246, the 310th day of the year. Malachi 3:10. You watch what happens. All right, everyone. Much love. God bless. I'll see you soon.